guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zinaruddin Khan and I am a student and I am here to help other students. So let's begin. Our today's topic is conversion of decimals into fractions. Method number 1. So first look at the steps. Step number 1. Write the decimal number in the numerator and 1 in the denominator to make it a fraction. Step number 2. Count the number of places to the right of the decimal. And step number 3, multiply the numerator and denominator with appropriate number. It means that if there is one digit after decimal, then we have to multiply by tens. If there are two digits after decimal, then we have to multiply by 100. And if there are three digits after decimal, then we have to multiply by 1000. So let's elaborate with examples. Example number 1. Convert 0.36 into a fraction. Now what was our first step? That we have to put 1 in the denominator place, so it would be 0.36 over 1. Now our second step was that we have to count the number of digits after the decimal. There are two digits, so as I told you, so we multiply by 100, so both the numbers multiply by 100. Here, the point to remember is that if there is multiply by 10, so the decimal will take one jump to the right. If there is multiply by 100, so the decimal will take two jumps from the right. And if there is multiply by 1000, the decimal will take three jumps to the right. So here is multiply by 100, so the decimal will take two jumps and our answer is 36 over 100. So as we know that it can be simplified by dividing by 4, so our final answer would be 9 over 25. Example number 2. Convert 0.861 into a fraction. So first we have to put a 1 in the denominator place, so it will be 0.861 over 1. So our second step was that we have to count the number of digits after a decimal. There are three number of digits, so we will multiply by 1000 both the numbers. So here is multiply by 1000, so the decimal will take 3 jumps in the right, so our answer will be 861 over 100. Method number 2. It is very quick and easy. First, look at the decimal place value chart. So here, the numbers before the decimal are called whole number part and the numbers after the decimal are called fractional part, or you can tell as decimal part 2. Now here, the first place after decimal is tens and it can be written as 1 over 10. And the second place after a decimal is hundreds and it can be written as 1 over 100. And the third place after the decimal is thousands and it can be written as 1 over 1000. Now, let's look at the example number 1. Convert 0.62 into fraction. As you guys know that 6 is tens and 2 is hundreds, so it can be written as 62 hundreds, and in fraction form it can be written 62 over 100. So as you guys know that it can be simplified, so our final answer would be 31 over 50. Example number 2. Convert 12.3 into fraction. Here the 12 is a whole number and 3 is tens. So the 12 will remain a whole number and 3 will be 3 over 10. So our final answer would be 12 whole 3 over 10. So that's from my side. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.